What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. It's Matchbox time, and what can I say? I barely can believe it. Last year it was so hard to find new Matchbox mainline models here in my area in the stores, and this year it's not even mid-January and I already found Mix 3 or the C case of 2025. And yeah, there are some pretty cool models in this case. I think we have four new 2025 models. Of course, what you see here are not all models from the case. I only pick the new stuff and I only pick the models that I like, the highlights. And with that said, I would say let's get started with a model. I think I can already say this is definitely going to be one of the highlights of 2025 from Matchbox. This is brand new model, as you can see right here, new casting. This is the 2023 BMW M2 in red. Yeah, of course, you know that I'm from Germany and I like the German brands. What's that here on? Oh yeah, unfortunately we have some stuff on the windshield, but yeah, I'm pretty happy that I bought a second one, so I have a kind of a spare model. Anyways, besides this, I don't know, damaged windshield, we have a pretty nice model. Once again, for this year, we get extremely crisp prints, details on the front. Look at this. The BMW badge, the headlights, and also the M2 badge here in the grille. And also on the back, we get the BMW license plate, and the taillights, very nice. The black 5 spokes are a good choice. I hope we will see many versions of this casting. I think this is fantastic and definitely one of the highlights for this year, besides this windshield. Anyways, let's go on with another new casting. So I guess this thing is more popular in the US. New for 2025, the 1997 Acura Integra Type R. Man, so many good new models for this year. Fantastic. I'm shifting a little bit from Hot Wheels to Matchbox because this year I think this brand really is on fire. Man, look at this. Look at this model. Fantastic. Once again, we get our 4 headlights. The white wheels are a great choice. Very crisp details on the back. A license plate. Yeah, would have been the icing on the cake, but yeah, fantastic. Also the red interior, pretty nice. I mean, let's take a look. Yeah, well, I mean, the steering wheel is a little bit weird, very close to the seat. But I mean, yeah, it's a model for €1 or €1.50. Unfortunately, for all of you that are interested, I found these models at a store here in Germany called MediaMarkt, which is basically, yeah, a store where you buy electronics. And sometimes they do have these models and they are a little bit more expensive. So I paid €2 for a model which is, yeah, a little bit expensive. Normally you pay €1.30, €1.50 for these Matchbox mainlines. But the thing is, I mean, I could have waited till another store has them, but last year they skipped some cases, and yeah, I don't want to miss out on anything. That's the point. So we go on with this one here, a recolor for the 2021 Kix EGJera. Yeah, one of these hyper cars. Yeah, looks very cool in this flat black. Of course, we get this ghost here on the back. Comes with, yeah, golden 5 spokes. Very minimalistic. Yeah, it looks a little bit like a Batmobile or something, but this, yeah, once again, really cool. I can show you the other versions that I have. This one was the debut version in gray or silver with the yellow interior. Then there is a yellow version that unfortunately I'm missing right now. And then we saw recently, this turquoise version with also the golden wheels. So let's put our Koenigsegg into the parking lot. Then I showed in the preview picture this Tesla Model S, but I think it's not new to the case. I bought another one because I wasn't sure if I have it. But then I think I showed it already in the last video. So let's put our Tesla Model S to the side as we go on with the Ford Bronco Sport 2022 version in red. I'm a huge fan of the Ford Bronco. I think the Sport version is not the coolest version. I think the four-door version Matchbox does is the better looking one, and I also like the Hot Wheels version, which is also really cool. But it's not too bad. We get the Bronco lettering on the front, crisp headlights. Unfortunately, plastic roof. I already mentioned that. We see that on a lot of models. But once again, I don't know. These details, they are so crisp. Look at the back. The Bronco Sport lettering and how, the Ford logo, it's so precise, so crisp. Fantastic. Unfortunately, I'm also missing one of these Bronco versions. This one here was the debut version, and then we saw it in a darker green, more like a British racing green, and couldn't find that one so far. Let's put this one into the parking lot. We have still 4 models left. Let's take a look at the 1980 AMC Eagle. Another recolor. This is something we never saw here on European roads, I'm pretty sure. But this is so 80s, so typical US. Really nice. The front looks a little bit poor, and we don't get any details on the back. That's unfortunate, but the casting itself is really cool. We saw this one in black with the wood details on the side, and we also saw it in this kind of metallic brown. Also a nice one. Now let's go on with the 2004 Mazda RX8, now in a nice blue. There we go with the chrome 5 spokes. So I think this one doesn't look too bad. The license plate would have been nice. It's more like a bright blue metallic color. I don't think the headlights do look as good on this one as on the other models we've seen in this video. But it's definitely not too bad. This is the third color. We've seen it in black. I think this was the debut version. And in red. There we go. Let's put these to the side. And we have 2 new models left, and I would say we get started with a Matchbox little dumper, also a new casting. There we go. As you can see in this, whatever you call that, you see the Matchbox logo. Not an expert for construction vehicles, so this one comes in this Matchbox construction deco, and all of these models do have a unit number. It's very, very small down here, and I think it's saying unit number 10, mini side dumper here on the side, and we get kind of a moving part. So that's pretty cool. You can also remove this thing and reattach it. There we go. I think in the last video I showed some of my other models in this deco. These things are pretty cool if you have a certain amount of them, and you can kind of build a fleet. I think in one of the next videos I will show all of the models again. Today I didn't have the time to put all of them out. And here is our last one in kind of a pretty similar color as our AMC Eagle. This is the 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser 78. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It's not my favorite color, I would say. What is pretty cool, we get this Toyota lettering embossed on the tailgate. The front, once again, it's definitely good, not as good as the other ones. This is a right-hand drive version, and we see some stuff here in the back, a chainsaw, a chain, and kind of a bag, maybe with some tools in there. Comes with the trailer hitch, which is pretty cool, so we can attach a trailer. Very, very nice. So that was the last one. And of course, as always, in my videos, I'm gonna pick a favorite at the end, and I'm pretty sure you can already guess which one it is. It's definitely this one, the BMW M2. Very, very nice, and I hope we will see a lot of very cool versions of this casting. Very nicely done, in my opinion. Love the black 5 spokes, and also the red color. Very, very nice. Except our windshield. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time.